you've ever planted summer squash or zucchini, you may be amazed at how fast it grows. You can almost watch it grow. There is a national holiday, tongue-in-cheek, National Leave Zucchini on Your Neighbor's Doorstep. Now, zucchini is a little different from winter squash. It has a thinner skin and it has a higher moisture content. It's also much lower in calories than a typical winter squash. It does contain vitamin C, but not as much carotenoids, which make vitamin A in our body. Zucchini's superpower is versatility. Try it in different ways. Try making zucchini boats. Simply slice them lengthwise, scoop out some of the center, and roast them. Flip them over, fill them with taco meat or stuffing or pasta sauce, and bake. In meat dishes, you can add grated zucchini to meatloaf or meatballs. You can also steam slices in the microwave or saute them with garlic on the stovetop. There are spiralizer tools available, or you can simply use a vegetable peeler to make zucchini noodles. And if you have an air fryer, try making crunchy snacks by air frying zucchini chips. If you want to trim back on your summer squash production, the blossoms are edible. They have a mild flavor. You can float them in soups. You can use them in salads. And as a bonus, they won't produce another summer squash if you have too many. I'm Dr. Julie, bringing the feel to your fork. Until next time.